Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna learn about the passive voice again. If you haven't watched the previous video, you'd better watch it first. Well, without any further ado, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, in the previous video, we've talked about the passive voice for the simple present tense. Today, let's focus on the passive voice for the present continuous tense. Look at the following picture. Who is sending Sophia to school? Father is sending Sophia to school. The person who is doing the action is called the doer. Father is the doer, while a person who is receiving the action is called the receiver. In this sentence, the receiver is Sophia. The word father here takes the position as the subject of the sentence, while Sophia takes the position as the object of the sentence. This sentence is in the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to tell something that is going on at the time of speaking. To change this sentence into its passive voice, we have to put the receiver, Sophia, at the beginning of the sentence. Here we go. We write it down here. After that, we insert a suitable to be for Sophia. And the suitable one is. Next, since it is the present continuous tense, we have to add being, be plus ing, which is then followed by the past participle of the verb send. The past participle of the verb send is sent. Finally, we add to school, and it is optional to add by father. Remember to use this rule. Another example, who is taking care of the baby? Ida is taking care of the baby. Can you identify the receiver? Write down the receiver at the beginning of the sentence. Then, write down a suitable to be. We use is because the word baby is a singular noun. After that, write down being. Next, write down the past participle of the verb take. It is taken. And since the verb used here is a phrasal verb, taking care of, we still have to write down care of here. Eventually, you may add by Ida. Now, do this exercise. Mother is pouring the juice into a glass. Which one is the correct answer? Well, do you know the correct answer? Write down in the comment section. I'll see you again inshallah in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.